friends, welcome to Crisp class. I am Monica and today we will study integers. Today we will solve some questions on integers. See, we've already studied about integers. We have two types of numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers. Positive numbers are always greater than negative numbers and 0 is also greater than negative numbers. See, let us see this question. Arrange the following integers in the ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger. So here we have some positive numbers and negative numbers. So we know that negative numbers will be smaller. Let us place these numbers in the ascending order. Negative number which will come first will be -5. Then is -3. Then -2. Then we have 0. After that 1. Then we will write +4. See, this is how we have arranged these numbers in the ascending order. -5 is the least in value and the greatest is +4. See, if you get confused while writing these numbers, integers into ascending or descending order, you can make a rough number line here like this. Write numbers like this. And then you will get an idea which number has to be placed first. Or you can visualize the number line in your mind and then you can write these numbers accordingly. And for your convenience, take the numbers which you have already written. And we have written -5, we take -5. So likewise, we have written all the numbers in the ascending order. Now we will see another question. Fill in the blanks using these signs, lesser, equals to or greater than. -10 and -11, which will be greater? -10 will be greater because -10 lies to the right in the number line than -11. The -10 lies on the right side of -11. Whenever we move to the right side in a number line, the value of the number becomes greater. Now let us see this part. First we will solve it. See here we have two numbers. They are of the same type, both negative numbers. So we will add them. When we add them we get 26. Sign of the bigger number means minus. Here both are positive numbers. We will add them. Again we get 26. This is a positive number. Now we know positive numbers are always bigger than negative numbers. So we will put this sign here. Now let us solve this sum. -80 minus -90. Now see, we can write this in this manner. We can place -80 in brackets. Now this is subtraction. We have learned that whenever there is a subtraction sign in between, we change it into addition. We will solve it like this. When we change this sign, we will change the sign which is inside. We are changing the sign that is outside. We have to change the sign which is inside the brackets. Now we have got this. Now see, these two numbers, they are both different numbers. One is negative, one is positive. So we will subtract them. When we subtract these numbers, we get 10. And sign of the bigger number means plus. So our answer is +10. We will learn another method which is opening of brackets. See, whenever we get two signs together like this, separated by a bracket, what we will do? We know that whenever we have two same type of numbers, we do addition. Whether they are both positive numbers or both negative numbers. Whenever we have both same type of numbers, we do addition. When we have different type of numbers, we will do subtraction. Same is the case here. Whenever we have same type of signs separated by a bracket, these are both same type of signs, then the sign will become addition sign. When these signs are different, these two signs are different, then the sign will become subtraction sign. See, this is related to multiplication, which we will do in our next class. But at present, we can remember this, that whenever both the signs are same, both signs which are separated by a bracket, they are same, then we put a addition sign. Instead of these two signs, we will put an addition sign. When both the signs are different, we will put subtraction sign. It is just similar to what I have already said, that when the numbers are same, we do addition. When the numbers are different, we do subtraction. When the signs are same, we put addition sign. When the signs are different, we put subtraction sign. So let us see how we can solve this sum using this method. See, our sum is minus 80 minus 90. This is our sum. Now let us see how we will solve it. Minus 80 we will write as it is. Now see, we have two signs which are of the same time, both negative signs. So same signs means addition sign. This is minus 80 and this is plus 90. All the numbers we have to consider with their sign which is in front of them. Means this number will be minus 80 and this will be plus 90. Now these two numbers are different, so we will subtract them. When we subtract them, we get 10. Sign of the bigger number, which is the bigger number? 90. So this is how we can solve sums on integers. Now we will solve another sum. Minus 50 we will be writing as it is. Now see, here we have two signs which are separated by a bracket. These are different type of signs, so subtraction sign. 60 will be written as it is plus 50. Now here we have three numbers which have their own sign, minus 50, minus 60, plus 50. This minus is with 60. This will become minus 60. When we remove the bracket, this becomes minus 60. Now we will solve it further. These two are same type of numbers. Same type of numbers means addition. So when we add them, we get 110. Sign of the bigger number. This we will place plus 40. Now here we have both different type of numbers. One negative, one positive. So we will subtract them. Different type of numbers means subtraction. When we subtract them, we get 60. Sign of the bigger number is minus. So our answer is minus 60. Now like this, we can solve many more questions which are even bigger. Once you know this method of opening the brackets. See, if our sum is minus 10 plus minus 1 minus 8 plus minus 3 minus 14 plus 6. If we have this big sum, then also we can solve it easily if we know this method of opening the brackets. We won't get confused into so many signs. What we will do is, we will start opening the brackets first. This is minus 10. Now this is different sign means minus 1. Same sign means plus 8. Different sign means minus 3. Same sign means plus 14 plus 6. So this is what we have got. Now what we will do, we will bring the numbers with the same sign together. Minus 10, minus 1, minus 3, plus 8, plus 14, plus 6. We have shifted minus 3 this side and plus 8 this side. Now we can solve further. These are same type of numbers, all negative, add them up. These are same type of numbers, all positive, add them up and then solve it further. Now like this, it will be very easy for you to solve sums on integers and it will become fun to do all the sums.